Hi, this is Alan Lozano with Option 1 Real Estate. Experience classic charm with modern flair in the heart of this Alamo Heights gem at 106 Wildrose Avenue. This home has 3 bedrooms, 3 lovely bathrooms, and is 2,726 square feet. The open concept kitchen, living area, and dining room provide the perfect setting for entertaining. Hand-scraped wood floors, slate tile, and marble countertops add elegance and style. Vaulted ceilings in the formal living room and master bedroom make the home roomy and grand. The master bath comes complete with granite countertops and a large, elegant walk-in closet. The secondary bedrooms feature large layouts with plantation shutters and French doors to accent the natural light. The private patio is inviting and ideal for dining and relaxing outdoors. The backyard is spacious with a solar-powered electric gate and a 2-car carport. For a full report on this home or any home for sale, or if you'd like to do a free home search that's more accurate than what's on the internet, log on to our website, send us a text, or give us a call. We're always happy to help.